Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So after reading a lot of forums about how to change the window trim for Lancer Evolution, at least for Evo 8 and 9 and 7, well, you will have to remove the side mirror to install the trim. Where is the trim? It's here. You have to remove the side mirror. And this is the answer. There is no way you can change it and without installing without removing the side mirror. You will have to remove the side mirror and then install it. So that's it. When installing the window trim, just make sure that from this side, just make sure that there is a plastic piece here that comes with the window trim that should go inside the metal here. Sorry, the metal should go inside this plastic trim, and make sure that here the bolt hole line up with the hole in the door. So that's it. And just don't forget to put a towel here because I scratched my door already. So, and press, make sure it's in, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more evolution video, or let's say evolution content. Thank you.